backhand to backhand, okay? So there's the two sides. There's the forehand connection or there's the rear hand connection. On the rear hand, go backhand. This illustrates the triangle better. Now, I will move you, and you can see, don't defend me yet. I run the line. I could take the hands. If I want to walk, I could take the body. Okay, I'm all earth positions. So without moving, you just move me. You move me. I'll follow it, and you can strike. Then I'll move you. So practice Gangguan. I'll go back over here for me. I'll cut you over. Yeah. Now that same. Yeah. So if we go for the feed, if I feed you, it can happen. But let's have you scoop me. And let's go with it. And you can strike. And then I'll scoop you. First with no dynamic force, just so it's easy to feel it. The dynamic force maybe you do as a second practice. Yeah. You can go to touch a knuckle. Okay. Or I can go, I'll tap him in the thigh. We'll come in, I tap him on the shin. That's an idea, right? Okay. Then the dynamic force will be maybe the next. Do a bunch of these to get smooth at it. Then as I expand to you, you redirect me. And as you try to attack me back, I redirect you. Again, like we were talking about, this is where I might pull the horse out of the way. Okay. And if you don't need it, you don't need it. But I'm like not greedy to feed the attack. I want to make sure he's with me so he can practice over and over again. To win, I just move in. Right? Takedown.
Rolling down the mountain.
He's careful the best. Yeah, okay. Pause it.